Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. Good evening, guys. Good evening, students. Good evening. How are you? Happy New Year. How are you all doing today?
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Good to see you. Good to have you in class. Um, I just want to pass an information across. Now, in January, right? And if you are just a all right. So now we are in the month of January, and this is the third month in your coding class. So at the end of this month, we're going to be doing something very, very important. Precisely the last Saturday of this month. It's going to be in the morning. We are going to do our project defense. So that means every one of you have to design something. Okay? You have to do what? Design something. Very simple, very easy. Just make sure you did it on you are doing it on your own. All right. Just come up with anything that you can design. Miss Mercy, please help me charge your students. You might have to give them list of projects. You can show them list of projects that have been done, you know, over the years,
Okay.
project that students have submitted, project that you have done that you might, eventually not cover. You might introduce them to where they can do research and all that.
Okay.
Just prepare them for the project defense. The project defense is the last day, the last Saturday in January, which is 31st of January. So your project has to be ready before then. So you have how many weeks now? You have 1, 2, 3, about 4 weeks from today to get that ready. Everything you're going to be doing this class, for the tutor, you might have to pay attention to what the student are bringing to you. If they've started any project and they're having any issue, please attend to them. Please attend to them. Make it priority to attend to them. You know, um, you might look into the project, why it's not working. You might, take it up, work on it, get back to them anyhow you want to do. Just make sure you assist them with their project. This is the first time they are writing a project. All right. So they will need your assistance. They will need your assistance. I just want to share my screen, show you a couple of, you know, projects that you can, and not you can, but just a couple of projects that students have built over the time. They are lovely projects. Yours might be something simple. It might be that's for the younger ones, age 5 to 9, it might be a replication of what you have done in the class before. But just make sure you are the one that did it from the beginning to the ending. Okay. Just make sure you are the one that design the project. We have a lot of projects that I would like Mr. Samuel to be showing you. Okay. So that you can have understanding and know what you should. Okay. So because of time, I might not be able to do this, but I would trust instructors to tutors to help, show them some project students have done and all that. But just steer them up, ask them if they've started something. I'm sure some of you have started telling your student before now. So just follow up on it. And 31st of this month is the date we are going to be showcasing your project. Okay. And the modality for the showcase, I will also come back to the class, or your tutors are going to show you how to, the modality for your project. So that's just the information I want to pass. Maybe further information will be passed across maybe tomorrow morning. Please, you must always come to class this time around. This time is not, you are in the last module of the block base, especially for age 10 to 16. Okay, so you can't miss class this time around. Okay. All right. Well done, guys. Take care.
All right, thank you, Mr. Lawal.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Lawa.
So you can create a breakout room and go now.
All right.
All right, so I'm creating a breakout room now. So for age 10 to 16, I'm going to join the class. All right, so I've opened the breakout room now. I'll see you on the other side.
All right, guys. Let's all launch our TuboWap and open our file from last week. We'll be proceeding from where we stopped. We have Israel in the class. Israel, you've not moved to your class, or do you want me to move you to the breakout room? We have Samuel, we have Elliot, Onyade. Onyade, turn on your video. Good evening, how are you?
Fine, ma.
Welcome to class. Okay, I'll be sharing my screen shortly. Can we all see my screen? Onyade, okay. Your camera is not well set, Onyade. I can see your head. Okay, you're lying on the bed. Thought you were sitting. Elliot, are you still here?
Yes, ma.
All right. I hope you saved your file from last week.
Yes, ma.
All right. So you can see my screen, and you know what we did here. I am Mikosi. Welcome to class. Kindly mute your mic.
I've already mute.
You are not muted. We can hear you. If you
I
are
watched
muted,
the recording, but I don't understand it.
because you were not in class, so you watched the recording.
Yes, ma.
What do you not understand?
I don't understand like how they are creating a game.
I will attend to you after the class. We've done one or two things. So going back to those things now will actually take us back. So we have very limited time. We took our time last week to explain a lot of things, but I don't know why. Why didn't you join us last week, Samuel?
Because I traveled.
Oh, welcome back. Yeah, not to worry. Just ensure you pay attention to what we're doing.
Yes, ma.
All right. You can open your Tubo app and follow through with the codes you can see on the screen. Then I can come back later to explain this part to you so that to make it easy. Do you understand? I think that will be better. If you continue with this code, it will help us come back to you. And then we'll finish the class in time. Then I'll be able to attend to you personally because of the part you missed. Is that okay?
Yes, ma.
All right, you can proceed. I'll be leaving my screen because of you. Then I'll see how I can. Is this something you can start? If not, maybe you should just wait till um the end of
I
the class.
can't see the thing you put in your screen.
If you can't see this, what can you not
Yes,
see
in my
somewhere?
own double app.
What can't you see?
Da to da. What? Wait,
Share your screen first. Share your screen. Let me quickly see. I want to do something.
what is she putting in the screen? Not in the put something like this. They put something like this. Good. Yes, it's good, but I don't see it. Wait, come on.
Why is this fan not to take
Here,
no
look, this thing. Hold on.
Open a blank project, Samuel.
Ma,
Open a blank project. Then what
my
you will do
back.
is you will start your code from where I'm going to start from today. And then I'll come back to explain the previous one that you've missed. I think that's the fastest way to approach you or to help you out. Are you with me somewhere? Is this something you can do?
okay. Yes, ma. Stop sharing, ma.
You said?
Can I stop sharing?
Yes, you can stop sharing. All right. Let me know when you see my screen.
I'm not seeing your screen, Ma.
Yeah, you should show them very soon.
I've seen it.
That's the screen.
Wait.
Follow.
So Samuel, follow me on what I'm doing now. Ignore the previous codes. I'm going to have to come back to that for you. So, but whatever I do now, you have to do it. Is this something you can try, Samuel?
Yes, Ma.
All right. All right, from last week, we've been able to, this code actually addresses our arrows, the up, down, left, and right arrows. And then I'm going to explain that later. You will see what this code does. I think it was Onyade that completed the last part last week. Who remembered? So when flag clicked, who is with me? When flag clicked, whatever we are doing now, we are still working with our
I'm going to
snake
wear flag
sprite.
clip.
It's our snake sprite that we are working with. Oh, Samuel, just hold on. You hear?
Okay, Ma.
Yeah, I've explained all of these things last week. We are still coding our snake sprite. Everyone.
What will it give me? Where? Emotion. Where?
It's in this place.
Event.
So I want to use my go-to block. Where do I go to get my go-to block? Onyade, Elliot, Ayomiposi.
Ma,
What did she say?
Where do I get my go-to block? Which of the blocks am I picking it from?
motion.
Good. Thank
Motion.
you. So let's go to motion. Bring out our go-to block. What does this do for us? Who can tell me what this block do for us? It help us do what to our sprite? The go to X and Y block. What does it help us do to our sprite? So if I set X to 0 and I set Y to 0.
It help our sprite to stay in the middle.
Great, I love that. It helps our sprite. I'm actually doing all of this because you're going to have a project at the end of this month. So if I'm asking this question, it helps you. You're going to do your own project on your own. I'm only going to guide you. If you have questions, I will attend to them. So
Ma.
ensure you concentrate with each of the blocks I'm mentioning. You know what each block does. Somebody called my attention.
0.
All right, we'll be using our if block. And we are getting that from where? If.
Ma.
That's the conditional statement. Where do we get our if
Where
block
is
from?
it?
It's a conditional
Is that
statement.
question? If.
Control. Onyade, Elliot, where are you guys? Where is Ayomiposi?
This is if now. Is in
Then
control.
let's go to sensing. We'll be needing the if. Sorry, when a particular key is pressed, we get this from sensing. Key space pressed. The code is actually a complex one. So if you want us to finish this project today, you have to follow me. So we are not using the space. You know what we have here, if you look at our sprites rather, we have the right, we have the left, we have the up and down arrow key. So we'll be changing this space to what? the right arrow key. The right arrow key. When we press the right arrow key, if right arrow, pressed, then what should happen? It should point in direction, motion. Point in direction 90. So let me explain this. You know, it's the snake sprite that we are coding now. And when you're playing the game, you can move it around because it will be eating the apple, and as it's eating the apple, it's getting bigger. So last week, don't forget, we did we set some conditions here, some events. When I receive up arrow key, that's the up arrow key. If you look at my cursor, you can see it on up. It should set speed to 0. It should point in direction 0. Direction 0 is for up arrow key.
Like this.
Now we are now saying if we have asked our snake to stay in the middle, that is go to x0, y0, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. We now want to set the condition that if I press my right arrow key, what direction should the snake face? The direction that the snake will face is what? It will point in angle 90. And I'm going to draw your attention back to what we did last week. You can see that point in direction 90 is here, Abi, for the right. When we press the sensing is telling it that it should respond. It should respond to when we press our arrow key. That's sensing. So if key arrow, mute your mic, Ayomi. If condition is a conditional statement. If key right arrow is pressed, then the next thing that should happen is what? The snake should point in direction angle 90. Now come back to this place. You see that what I did here was, when I receive right arrow key, what should happen? It should point in direction 90. Can you see the correlation now? Can you see that the two is intertwined? Who agrees with me on this? I want you to tell me if you understand what I just explained. Hello? Anyone there? I'm explaining this because we are going to repeat this step for the left arrow key, the up arrow key, the down arrow key, the 4 sides. We are repeating this step for it. So I'm using this one to explain what we are going to do next for the remaining 3 arrow keys. Do you understand, Onyade? Onyade, are you in class?
Yes, ma.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
Emmanuel, are you following? Emmanuel is not saying anything. You're not muted. Ayomi, how about you? I'm repeating this if now. We're going to have 4. Yes, we're going to have 4 if statements. And it's going to be the same thing, just for different direction and the different arrow keys. I want you to get it. Elliot, Samuel. Okay. Samuel's case is a special one now. He was not in class last week. But Samuel, pay attention to this explanation. It will help you when you're writing your code. If I drop the file from last week in the chat box, will you be able to proceed from where we are, Samuel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me try that. You guys should look at the screen, and ensure you are coming along with me. I want to do something now. I want Samuel to follow us so that it reduces the the work when I'm ready for him. Somebody's hand is raised.
No.
Emmanuel, your hand is raised. So,
Thank you.
Samuel,
Ma,
I'm copying the file now. You will download and follow us. So that I have very little to explain by the time I'm coming back to you. Do you understand?
Yes, Emmanuel.
Tema.
Yes, sir.
Emmanuel, your hand is raised, but you're not saying anything. I've asked you to talk. Put down your hand if you're not saying anything. Can Emmanuel hear me? Is Emmanuel in this class? Emmanuel, your hand is raised. Do you have question? Put down your hand. All right, check the chat box, Samuel. I just dropped the file we are working with. Unmute your mic, Samuel. Confirm you can see that file. Can you?
I saying that I can see.
Eh? What did you say?
What do you say that is fine?
Ah,
The file is in the chat box.
I dropped a chat in the... Okay, your mom is there. Good. So download that file and follow me.
Okay.
So once you download the file, you should open the file. Then where I stopped, the code is already there. I will only need to explain to him. I think this is better.
Oh, okay. That's been downloaded.
Okay. All right, guys. If you pay attention to the code, if you add 1 or 2 together, it's the same thing. We are just going to repeat it 4 times for the different arrow keys. So I'm going to bring out another if-then block. Can you see that? Then you go to sensing. So from sensing, you bring out your key pressed when key space is pressed, and then we'll now convert it to the particular key, the arrow key that we are working with. We've done right arrow key. We want to do the left arrow key. And as we are doing this left arrow key, I'm going to call everybody one after the other. Be ready for me. I told you last week. Be ready for me. This is left arrow key. Left arrow key. I want to know who understand the first step I explained, because the answer to this question is staring you in the face, is on the screen. So I'm going to ask you now, for my left arrow key, I want to bring out my pointing direction. Which angle will my left arrow key be facing? Pointing direction what? Judging by what you have on your screen. I have already explained right arrow key. If you are following me, you should answer this question. Left arrow key. Onyade, good.
-90.
Oh, a round of applause for Onyade. Elliot, you are next. Oh. So get ready for me. Your answer is on the screen. Your answer is what? On the screen. So I go to sensing. I bring out my key space pressed. I change it to up arrow key. Now, Elliot, up arrow. And then I use my pointing direction. Pointing direction, what angle? Pointing direction, what angle? I don't know why Emmanuel keep raising his hand. So, Elliot, on mute. What angle is my up arrow key? What angle is my up arrow key? I am waiting. I am waiting. Sorry, Elliot. Elliot, don't fall my hand, though. Elliot, oya, kíákíá, talk. Elliot, you want me to give your slot to someone else?
Ma,
Mposi, you want to try?
yes.
Go ahead.
180.
Up, oh. Mposi, you were in class last week.
Yes.
Manuel, do you know the answer? Because your hand has not come down.
This is one.
Look at it, eh? Emmanuel, what do you want to say? Can you see this? Who wants to try? Who wants to try? Ha! We have a long way to go. You people should not
Ma,
fall my hand.
what's your question?
I asked that for our up arrow key, it will be point in direction what angle?
One day.
Hmm.
0.
Everybody look at this clock. Even the diagram tells you the answer. The diagram does what? Tells you the answer. So if you try it from your end by moving this clock, I explained this thing last week. Oh, if you move this clock up, you will see the answer automatically. Did you see that?
Yes, ma.
It's 0.
I explained this last week. So why am I doing the last? Somebody should tell me what to do. Oh yeah. A teacher should arise in this class. Oh yeah, who will teach me? I want to do for the down arrow key. What will I do now?
Ma,
Go
you
ahead.
take your clock down.
Is that the next thing I will do? I have to start from somewhere now. Oh yeah.
You
Somebody,
press, you go to if then.
where will I get the if then from?
Control.
I told you to teach me. Control. What will I do?
You bring your if then out.
I brought out my if then. What is the next thing that I will do?
You go to sensing.
Thank you. And what will I do?
You bring out your keys pressed.
Thank you. What will I do next?
Then you go on and search for left arrow.
It's down. Oh. We have done left.
Down arrow.
All right, I've done that. So what will I do next?
Then you go to point in direct. Then you go to motion.
Okay.
Then you bring out your point in directionality.
Is it down arrow key? Na be up arrow key.
Okay. Okay, so
it is low arrow, and I see up arrow. Mine is supposed to be low arrow.
Oh, is it up? No, sorry. I actually click on down. Thank you. All right.
Then you take your clock down, and it will give you 180.
Thank you. We all understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we ask you to move 4 steps. Move
Direction.
what? Move 4 steps. Then we now go back to our control, bring out the forever loop. I have taken my time to explain all these things.
Put it to 0.
So forever loop. For you loop all the if blocks inside your forever loop. Did you see that? We are done with this line of code, but then we still have about 3 blocks to form before we are done with our snake. And once we are done with our snake, we are done with the most complex. Samuel, I hope you are following.
Yes, ma.
So when flag click, everyone, we go back to our event. When flag click,
Not this one.
we already have some variables that we have set, which is score. So you say set score. Set score to 0 and set clone to 0. Sorry. You bring out the set and then you can choose your. This already has set clone. Set clone to 0. So we are using our forever loop. But before I bring out the loop, create clone of myself. I have played the video of this clone before. Who can tell me what they understand by clone? If you remember what I explained. That's from control. I've explained clone before. Oh yeah, I even played a video. You see, everything we have been learning gradually, we are now combining all the blocks to form something meaningful. And that's exactly what you yourself will do when you're creating your project. Somebody tell me just summarize what you understand by the word clone. Nobody is talking. Cloning means, when I say create a clone of myself, I'm asking that particular object should appear multiple times. Should do what? Appear multiple times. We've used the clone before. Can anyone hear me? Onyade, are you there? Elliot, can you hear me?
I can hear you, ma.
All right. Onyade, is everything okay? Are you there? We want to change the looks now. Is Onyade in class? You're not saying anything. Are you there?
Yes, ma.
What's wrong with your mic? You were not muted, but you're not saying anything. So let's
Ma, it
change color. You said what?
was the headset I was using.
Okay. All right. So I think I've explained cloning before, and I just summarized cloning again.
Ma,
Cloning means,
ma, to go and get something.
okay, no problem. So I've explained cloning means appearing multiple times. More like will I call it an illusion, but you want your sprite to appear or split itself, yes. Split itself into multiple places. That might be the right word so that you people can understand what the word cloning means. And then we are going to create clone of
Ma,
myself, change color by effect. I'm listening.
how do you put that forever block?
I'm putting forever here now. Did you see that? I want to create clone of myself and change
This one
effect.
that you did. This one
Listen,
that is long.
listen. I'm using this one to explain because I want to use forever here again. Are you listening?
Yes, ma.
Now, I want to put these two blocks, create clone of myself and change color effect by 10. I want to put the 2 blocks inside the forever loop. So this is what I will do. I will drag the create clone of myself. I will drag the forever block and ensure that the first part of the forever block is above create clone of myself, because that's where I'm starting my loop from. Do you see that? And that's exactly what happened here. Do you see that? When you bring out your forever block, did you see it? When you bring out your forever block, you should target where you want to start your loop from, and then you bring it and insert it. Ensure it is above the block that the first block you want, where you want to start your loop from. You can see that I have moved my forever block up, and the first if block has moved down. That's where I'm starting the loop from. So when you release it, it will capture everything. That's what I did. Do you get it now?
Yes, ma.
All right. And did it work for you?
Yes.
Did it work? All right. So let's proceed.
Did you work? So is it?
So when I start as a clone, you're picking that from control. I'm still on the control block. When I start as a clone, from control block, when you're working with cloning, you're working with the control block. Then wait. You bring out the wait 1 second block. The wait 1 second block. But instead of 1 second, we'll be using the clone block itself. And you're going to pick that from variable, because we have created variable called clone. Go to variable, bring out your clone variable. So wait clone seconds. Delete this clone. Delete this clone. Let's come back to this block. Who can see it? Set clone to 0 seconds. Can you all see it? You can give me a reaction if you don't want to unmute. Instead of set clone to 0, I want us to use 0.3 seconds. Here. Zero 0.3. Did we get it? Then the last part for the snake sprite. When flag click from event, when flag click, so that the code stays on the screen for you. We are going back to our if then block. Sorry, I need to start this again. If then, but then in the in the space here, we're going to go to sensing if touching edge, because the snake will be moving around to be tracing where the apple is. So we want to tell it that when it gets to the edge, instead of the snake to disappear from the screen, it should, once it touches the edge, it should curve. If touching edge, We want our touching edge um touching edge block from sensing. So you change the mouse pointer. If it's showing mouse pointer at your end, change it to edge, touching edge. If touching edge, you're bringing the touching block from sensing. Once it touches the edge, that means it was not able to eat any apple. It eats the head on the edge. We should broadcast, sorry. You should broadcast game over. Your broadcast block is found in events. So type the message, game over. It's not on the list. Broadcast game over. It should show game over once it touches the edge. We now want to include sound. Let's see if we can find, okay, bring out the play sound. Play sound from the sound block. Play sound until dawn. The ops sound. Now, you now bring out your forever block for this, because it will keep repeating itself until you press the stop button for your game. So we've used two loops here, the if then block and then the forever block. So let me know before I move to the apple sprite. Let me check in with everybody so I know. Oyade, what problem are you having? Quickly. So we can complete the project today. I think I can even say we are like 60% done with the snake sprite.
Ma,
Get the
my
sprite.
problem is,
Okay.
how did you go to create clone of myself?
Okay.
How did you get it?
All right. Where is it? Can you see where my cursor is? Is this where you are? Or
No,
where
I'm
is it?
here. Yes.
Okay, create clone of myself. Go to control block. You get it from control block. Look through the blocks, you'll find it there. Have I attended to Onyade? Did you see
Yes,
it?
ma. Yes, ma. Thank you, ma.
All right, continue. Now, who else ask questions before we leave this place? Where are you at? I want to know. Let me know when you're done with the code. We
Okay,
have
ma.
and the
Done with
arrow.
the code, ma.
Elliot is done. Great. Who else is done?
Ma, if I am done, should I leave the class?
Leave the class, Ke. Elliot, you are not leaving the class. So we are done with the snake sprite. We have the apple sprite and we have our arrow sprite. I'm only asking if you are done so that we can move to the next sprite and code it. So I want to know when you guys are done so we can move. Can you see the apple sprite, Elliot? You see where my cursor is?
Yes.
You can see the arrow sprite. We have how many arrow sprites there?
4.
And then we have the game over banner, which we designed last week. Emmanuel, you have raised your hand again. You have the floor. Whoever has question, you can ask your question now while we wait for the rest to be done with their codes. It's like Emmanuel is playing with this emoji, raising his hand off and on without having a question. Ayomi Samuel.
Ma.
So Ayomi are you almost done with
Yes.
your code?
No.
Ma.
Samuel, are you
Ma,
almost
I
done with
have a
your...
question.
I'm coming, Oyade.
Yes,
Ayomi,
we need to.
We should not put it.
what did you say, Samuel?
I'm not done, but we need to. I'm almost done.
Oh, I love that. Okay, Oyade, go ahead. Emmanuel, you are not talking, no. I've been calling you. I've been asking questions. You've not attended to me. Can you hear me, Emmanuel? Emmanuel, say something. Or is your mic not working?
When I start as a plan. No, we're going to see that.
Yes, ma.
So, is your code working? Are you almost done? Emmanuel,
Yes, ma. I'm copying it.
don't just copy you. I've been explaining, you have to understand, Do you understand, Emmanuel?
Yes, ma.
All
Ma,
right.
I have a question.
When
All
Where
right,
did
go
you
ahead.
get rate clone second? Rate
Not
second.
the one that my teacher was doing.
No, it's the normal
Can you
wait
hear
1
your teacher now?
second
Only
block.
the two of you came to
Okay, ma.
class.
when I start
Wait
the
1
Where is your
second
work?
block.
Okay, ma.
Now, this is it. It's the normal wait 1
Hello?
second. Can you
Hello,
see it?
ma.
Yes.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I've been shouting Emmanuel since. Emmanuel has not said anything.
He's talking. You weren't hearing him. So I have to say you should use headsets.
Okay, the laptop's audio is not
They
working.
reduce the volume so well. Can you hear me better?
Of course I can now.
Where have you got into? I'm not sure this one. Maybe just continue. I will help him. So that we don't.
All right.
Is it only two of you that are in class?
No, the rest are working. Oyade, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma.
Now, this is the wait 1 second block. Now use it.
Yes, ma.
Then you now come to the variables block and bring out the clone variable. Can you see it?
Yes, ma.
Yes. So you bring this out. Let me show you what I did. Can you see it?
Yes, ma.
The wait 1 second block, and then you bring out the clone variable here and replace it where you have the 1. Then you bring out the delete this clone block. Is that clear
Yes.
now?
Yes, mama, I'm done.
Okay, who else is done? Ejo said he's done. Oyade said he's done. Who else is done? Ayomi.
I'm
Yes,
not done.
I'm not yet done.
Samuel,
And
are you...
I don't get the create club done. Clone done.
Create clone of myself. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Go
Yes,
to
ma.
control. Is there? You get that from
Ma?
control. Go to
Ma?
control block.
If you bring clone from
Can you hear me, Samuel?
Yes, ma.
Samuel, can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Yes, go to control block. Create clone of myself. This is it. Have you seen it?
Yes, ma.
So it means you're not done with your code. I mean, what it said is not done.
Delete this.
Is it just the two of you? I think Emmanuel too is not done. Elliot left the class. Or is he here? Let me check. Okay, he's here. Who is Adetutu Adeboye? I want to know which of the students' name has changed. Samuel's name has changed. Who else? Okay, that should be Ayomi Posi. No, Ayomi Posi is here. Adetutu Adeboye, which student is this?
It should be 10 to 16 class. Should be from 10 to 16 class.
The audio is not working, so I don't know who that person is. Samuel, your video is turned off. Turn it on so I can see you.
You went to toilet.
Okay. So, Ayomi Posi, are you done? We need to move to the Apple Sprite. I want us to finish this
No.
class. So, where are you? Let me know where you are currently on. The line of code you are currently writing.
Mommy.
Ayomi Posi, can we move to the Apple Sprite now?
No. No.
You're not saying anything.
No, ma.
Because something's blocking our this thing.
What's blocking it? I want to know where he is now. What line of code is he writing presently?
Okay. We are still doing the clone.
The clone, which one? Is it when I start as a clone? Here?
Yes. Where is it? Yes, ma.
Okay.
Wait 1 second. I don't know where you pick the clone from.
Is that Ayomi Posi?
Yes.
Is it Ayomi Posi that is talking?
Yes, ma.
The wait 1 second is from control. Then you should pick the clone from variable.
Yes.
The clone is from variable. It's a variable that we created.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. He's actually strong. He's just trying to.
Okay.
Finish this. I'm doing it.
What's that?
You're not innocent.
Yeah, are they?
Yeah, doing it.
Samuel, what are you still doing?
Alright. What did she do again?
When flag click, this should be the last thing for him to do. If you can see my cursor.
When flag click.
Yes, when
Eve,
flag,
Abby.
yes, if, then you bring out the touching edge. That's from sensing.
Then she puts Eve then. I'm tired.
Bring
Are
out
they
the
calling?
broadcast block.
Touch. Please, where is touching head? Touching head, edge.
It's from sensing. From sensing.
Mom, too.
All right. So everybody, let's go to the Apple Sprite. Apple Sprite, everyone. Click on your Apple Sprite. Onyade, Elliot, Samuel, Emmanuel.
Ma, I'm not done. I'm almost done. I'm using the phone, but Ma, I'm not done, but I'm almost done.
This is our own
Okay.
screen. This is your room. She said move to Apple
When
Sprite.
flag click, the Apple
No,
Sprite now, when green flag clicks,
no.
for motion, go to random position.
Oh, wow.
Emmanuel said it's not yet done.
Done with that one, no.
We'll come back to him.
When
This
that
is
click,
Alright.
running for better again.
pass. I'll come back to him.
Okay, ma.
Yeah. So bring out your if then. We'll use the sensing touching snake. Our apple now. You know, the snake and the apple must touch. That's what feeds the snake. I'm explaining the game anyway. So from sensing, bring out touching. This time around, snake. From variable, we'll change score and then we'll change clone. Score first. Then you bring out the change block again. Change clone. You change score by 1. You change clone by 0.1. Then go to random position. This is quite straightforward. It's just a repetition of what we've done in the
Ma,
previous.
is
Then
it
in the what?
in the control block that you did all those one that the root 1 and 0.1?
No, the change score by 1 block and the change clone by 0.1 block. You're picking them from variables. Yes, because what we are changing is actually variable. Score is a variable, clone is a variable. So you're going to bring out those blocks from variable. You just bring out the
Okay, ma.
change by 1 block, then you now change the individual variable. Once we are done, it will be easy for me to now start attending to each, so I don't keep everybody in class. I want to now start attending to those who have questions. If not, we'll all just be here. Are you done with the Apple code? Let's go to the right arrow sprite.
Ma, I'm not done.
The code is quite simple and fast, so let's quickly attend to
I'm
it.
done.
All right, good to know.
Ma, I'm not done.
You are what?
I'm not done.
What are you doing?
I am done.
Go to
Elliot,
random position.
is that Elliot?
Keep
Yes,
touching
ma.
this. You go to something.
Good, Elliot.
Touching.
But
Look
I
at
need
it.
to put
This is it now. You think it. Keep touching.
but I try.
And you try. No one is answering. Try. Yeah. Click on it. You pick snake. Keep touching it. Snake. Then go to variable.
I've get to variables. I've picked this one, so I need to put it here.
Hmm?
I've picked this
You
one.
change score. Change score. Change score by one. Change score by. Then change clone by 0.
So I need to put this one back.
What's the clone there?
All right, are we done with our Apple sprite?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma.
Okay, I'm moving to the right arrow sprite now. The right arrow sprite. So go to events when this sprite clicked.
One sprite. One flash.
When this sprite clicked, broadcast, right arrow, that's right.
I've
Change this to right, please. We are dealing with the right arrow sprite. Select your right arrow sprite. So when flag clicked, when this sprite clicks, broadcast right. When green flag clicks, let's set the position. Go to X and Y. You can see the position is already there. 210.
can't see the podcast.
You say what?
I can't see.
See what? What is the essence of your
Go to
Podcast.
X coordinate and Y coordinate. The X coordinate is go to
search for it?
210.
Is it
Y is go to minus 160. Then go to sensing.
You're not going to do this.
Set drag mode. not draggable. You change it from draggable to not draggable. And then we move to the left arrow key. Let me know when you are done with the right arrow key so we can be fast. Our time is
I'm
fast.
done.
All right, great, Onyade. The left arrow key now. Select the left
Follow
arrow
nǹkan
key.
tó ń ṣe tó ń ṣe wà ní wà owó bí ìwé tó bá ti jọ kọ́ wà lọ fi search.
Are we done with the right arrow key? You go to sensing. The last block here is from sensing. You bring out the set drag mode and change it to not draggable.
Where
Can
is
I move to
sensing?
the left arrow key?
Sensing. Yeah, the last. Let's drag mode.
Uncle.
You can click on the arrow.
For those who can be creative,
Hmm.
this particular code, repeat it for the entire arrows. What you will just do is when for left arrow key, you will change this one to left. That is the only thing you are changing.
Okay, ma.
Yes, can you do that now?
Yes, ma.
So go to left arrow key and repeat this code and change the right to left. Elliot, are you with me?
Yes, ma.
No, Samuel. We are repeating this code for the entire, what we just be changing is changing the broadcast message and some little things. I want to see those who are creative. So I'm moving to the left arrow key now. When this when this sprite clicked, broadcast, you change this to left. Left. When flag clicked, go to, that's from your motion.
Sure.
That's 120 minus 160. X coordinate is 120. The position is set already, so don't change anything. Then come to sensing. Set drag mode to not draggable. Did you see that it's just the same code that we have just done? We only change the broadcast to left, and then the position for X and Y coordinate change. That's the only thing. So go to down arrow key and do the same thing. And then the up arrow key and do the same thing.
When this bright here, one flag here, then broadcast. Broadcast down.
Elliot and Oyade should be done with their arrow sprite now. You should have done for down and done for up by yourself. Ayomiposi and Samuel, Emmanuel. How far? How is it going?
Fine, ma.
Have you done for down and up arrow key by yourself?
I'm doing down, ma, already.
Okay, I love that. All right, I have moved to down arrow key. You guys should even finish ahead of me. You guys should do what? You are meant to be done ahead of me. We have done for down arrow key. Okay, no, I'm on down arrow key now. I've done right and left, so I'm on down. So when flag click,
I'm done.
great. I'm going to see your work. So you go to, and then sensing, set drag mode, not draggable.
Yeah. That's fine.
Ma, I'm done.
Is that Elliot?
No,
Who is
it's
that?
Samuel.
Oh, I love that. Well done, Samuel.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, send me what. Let me check that.
Ma, I'm done.
Yeah, that's it.
I love
Mm.
Now let's go to our game over banner. You can set it to visible, you know.
Ma, what do you say?
Look at the sprite I'm currently on. That's the game over banner that we designed last week.
I did not see the game over.
You did not see this sprite.
Yes.
I have it hidden. You can make it hidden or make it show.
Now, what do you say?
It was hidden before. Go to events. We are coding our game over banner now. That's the sprite I'm currently selecting. Then ask it to hide. When the flag click, it should hide. When I receive game over, that's when we are using this banner. It's working for when we receive game over. Change the message to game over and ask it to show. Go to looks and ask it to show. Control, wait 1 second. Then stop all. Then wait 1 second.
Ma, I'm done.
All right, so you are done.
Yes, ma.
Manuel, do you have a question?
I
Yes.
turned the turbo up on my laptop to the right. I'm trying to turn it to the left. It is not doing.
Sorry, is that Emmanuel?
Yes, ma.
Sorry, excuse me. Save your work first, Emmanuel. Do you know how to save?
Yes, ma.
Save your work because you might need to reopen that your Turbo app. I don't
Ma,
want you to lose the project. Save your work.
ma.
Yes.
Elliot wrote, ma, what number should I put in X and
Ma, I've
Y
saved my work.
right?
I don't see this one. Which one?
Save your
This
work.
one.
Close Turbo app and
I've
open
saved
it.
my work.
Close Turbo app.
Oh,
Oyade, what's your
Yes,
question?
ma.
I've closed to go up.
Then relaunch Turbo app. Oyade, what's your question?
Ma, I don't have any question. I'm just telling that Elliot asked what number should I put in X and Y in the up sprite.
You tell him the number. Hey, you're done with your project.
Okay.
Tell him the number.
Elliot, in the up sprite, you no need to put any number. But it is not 00. What is saw there? What is saw there? Because
The
of
up, is it the up arrow sprite? Is this
yes,
what
ma.
Elliot? Elliot, is this your question?
Yes, ma.
Okay, have you seen the number now?
Yes, ma.
Okay, have you corrected it? Elliot, have you corrected it?
Ma,
Yes, go ahead.
all the listening I have already done now. I've not done anything.
Correct.
Who has not done anything?
Me.
I am me pussy.
You did not, but how can you tell me you did not do anything? You told me you
Ma,
were,
This one I've already done it, but I've not.
can I try my work?
And
of
just leave
course,
it.
now click on the green flag and play the game. Let me attend to Ayomiposi. Ayomiposi, where did you stop?
In the snake parts.
You are still on the snake part. Let me click on the snake sprite. If you're done with your code, click on the green flag and play the game so that we'll know if your code is working. So this is
I
it.
have a question.
Where did you stop?
Ma, I have a question.
So what is
UP.
Ayomiposi, can you see it?
Yes.
All right, good. Oyade, what's your question? Go.
Ma, my question in the game over is still going to be there when the game is playing.
Answer.
No, it shouldn't be there. I'm coming. When I played my game, it wasn't there. Did you see it? It's not there when I played my game. Did you see that it disappeared? It
Yes.
came up in time because I was not playing the game. You know, I didn't play the game. I just allowed the snake to eat the edge. And once the snake eats the edge, the game will stop. That's the code. Let me show you the part where is it safe? If on edge, this last part, see it. When flag click, if touching edge, then broadcast game over. And then you should play sound until the game is over. Do you understand now?
Yes, ma.
Let me try and play the game. Did you see it? Did you see? I'm using my arrow key to move the the snake is faster than me. Sorry. Okay.
But
Hey.
mine still not working.
Why is it's not mine is working now? Can't you see I'm playing the game? Game over. So what's your question? What's your question, Oyade? The game is
My
working.
my question is, why is my game over still there? Why my snake
And
is moving?
something is wrong with your code. I can't ask you to share your screen now because only sorry, Ayomikosi is still working on his code. Ayomikosi,
Yes.
so are you done with the snake game? The snake
No, I thought my mom is in on this thing. That's why it's
Ma, I
on.
think I've seen my mistake.
what's your mistake?
Let me
Yeah.
see.
0.3, 0. Why is it changing? 0.3. Enter. But it's still doing the same. God.
The snake sounds too distant. Let me shift up. See. Mom, play the game, but I can't.
Let me know when you're done with this Ayomikosi so I can change to the other
Ma,
slide.
I'm done with the snake. Ma, I'm done with the snake code.
Who is that?
Emmanuel.
Okay, so you have not done your apple sprite. Is
Yes,
that
ma.
Ayomikosi, are you done?
No, this is confusing me.
What's confusing you? I will let me drop the file in the chat box. You download from there. Yeah? I'm dropping this file now. Did your code work, Oyade?
No, ma.
Why did it not work? Hold on, let me drop this file in the chat box so that I can see your code. I want to see what's wrong. Oh, I don't
Ma,
know.
Elliot has a question.
Elliot, go ahead.
Ma, what is the code to the game over sprite?
What's the what?
Code
What's
to game over
code?
sprite.
Code to game over. Okay. I'm dropping the file now in the chat box. Do you understand? So
Yes, ma.
everybody should download and use it to correct their. You check where the code that you've not written and the code that might have error. So you use it to correct it. So open the chat box. I'm dropping a file there.
Game over. It's not showing.
What's not showing?
The game over. What is it?
Everybody check the chat box. The file is down uploading there.
Ma, he's asking a question.
Fine.
Ma, he's asking a question.
What's the question?
My Snake game file SB3 already exists. Do you want to replace it?
Yes. No, at what point are you getting this? Are you trying to save your work? If you are trying
No,
to save your work
I'm
and
trying to
you are doing what?
I'm trying to download your file. The file you sent.
Don't replace it with my file. My file is for you to what's it called? Correct your code. If you replace it, you're not going to correct anything and you might not understand. So I want you to use my file to debug your own code.
Yes.
So save it with another name.
Is it my own file?
Save your own file with another name so that it doesn't ask you to replace it with my own. In case we save it with the same name. Did you save your work as my Snake game file as well?
No, I've not yet saved my work.
Save your work with a different name, then download the file I just dropped. Use it to debug your code. And for those who have not finished their code, also download this file now. You use it to complete your work.
Now, what should I name my own?
Am I the one that will give your file name? Oyade? Oyade, give your file a name. Give your file a
Snake
name.
Clash.
You say what?
I name it my favorite game.
Well, if that's what you want.
My idea, okay, Snake Clash.
If you like it, why not? Have you all downloaded the file I sent?
But my still showing Snake game file SB3 already exists.
Replace it. Click on replace it.
Yes, ma.
All right.
Yes, one.
Because the one you have is incomplete. So replace it with this.
I still have my Snake Clash though.
It's fine. Just click on replace it.
What, Emma? You want to play? Oh, the game is not easy.
Was the code easy, Elliot? Was the code easy, Elliot?
Yes, ma.
The code was easy. I love that. People should start working on your project and let me know what you have in mind, though. Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
We've come to the end of the